love.
Hey y'all, okay, so here is the next day after I put my hair in the wash and go style using the Xtreme gel. I'm at work, so anyway, so I wanted to show y'all, it's currently 1-something p.m. the next day, and this is what we're working with the Xtreme. Just wanted to show y'all a snapshot of it. See? More definition, right? The curls appear to be popping. Sorry, I can't really give you like a full circle view. But anyway, I'll chat with y'all in a minute. Peace. Y'all, I'm walking downtown, so it's windy and loud, but yeah, just wanted y'all to peep out my hair blowing in the wind. This wash and go, girls and guys. Yeah. In the windy city of Dallas. I don't know if I can ever like what is he doing? I wouldn't say, sir, you're a little bit too close for comfort. I just wanted to get in my camera view. Like, you see, I'm filming. I'm trying to keep you out of the camera, and you're going to closer to the camera view. You want to be on camera? You want to be on YouTube, sir? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Anyway, I wanted y'all to see the results, the outcome of everything, of the hair, and me walking back to my building, the office building I work in. So, the wind stopped, y'all, but it was blowing. I wasn't thinking. I should have caught, why is there a glare? I should have caught it beforehand, because it was like really, really blowing, y'all, big time. But I didn't think about it. I be forgetting. I could have so much footage, but I don't think about it until after the fact, which is interesting. Anyway, y'all, I'll talk to you later. So it's now the end of the day. I just made it home and I came straight to my office to record, and guess what? I forgot to click on the microphone to turn it on. Anyway, I said a lot here, but basically just letting you guys know that I am so happy about the results compared to what it was before on yesterday with the Eco Gel. A big difference, right? As you can see, the Eco side does not have as much definition. It has a lot of shrinkage compared to the Xtreme Gel. Difference is night and day. I'm so happy with the results for the Xtreme Gel. It's given definition, it's given a little bit of length too. I also noticed that my hair was a little bit more crunchier than usual. It's usually soft and easy to just run my hands through my hair, but it was a little bit crunchy. It was a little stiff, and I already know why. I think it was because I already applied Eco Gel the previous day. So it had two types of gel, the Eco Gel and the Xtreme Gel. So I think that's what caused the stiffness, because it's not usually that stiff, but still get great results. From here on out, I will be using the Xtreme Gel going forward. So on my next wash and go, which will be on this Sunday, I will definitely be using Xtreme gel. I'm so mad, y'all. I ain't had my microphone on the whole time. I hope y'all heard every word I said, because if I have to re-record this, I would just re-record it, right? And be happy to do it. So, anywho, let me know what y'all think with the results. I missed my chair, y'all, where I just spin instead of manually turning. So y'all can get the full idea of how it looks. And y'all, I'ma play it, but you're gonna see my hair blowing in the wind on my lunch break when I was outside. Like this washing, yeah, I like the wash and go style. So this is basically gonna be my style for throughout the summertime or until I get my mini braids. Yeah, let me know what you think about my wash and go style. Oh, another thing I want to touch on when it comes to wash and go hairstyle, it helps with hair growth. It helps set the foundation for your hair to grow. I'll say that. You're not manipulating in your hair every day. Today is Tuesday, and I'm going to be wearing my hair like this for the remainder of the week. Sunday will be the next time I wash my hair. And the only thing that I'm going to be doing, y'all already saw my night routine, and I just put my hair in a pineapple. The next morning, get up, shake it, put a little oil, maneuver it the way I want it, just real quick, one time, and put it back in place, and I'm done. That's it. No combing, no detangling, nada. So it's not a protective style. However, it's a style that will cause you not to have to be in your hair every day, combing your hair, brushing your hair, manipulating it in any way. So it's giving it time to grow. You're not messing in it. Okay, so that helps. And I don't know if you guys saw the video that I shot a year ago, how to grow your hair to waist length, and this was important to how my hair was able to grow to waist length, because I was rocking the heck out of wash and goes all the time. Twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes. Then it got to the point where I started wearing crochet braids. Y'all, it's a whole video. Y'all go check it out. If you want your hair to grow, it's important for you to set the environment to where it can grow. It's not all about hair growth oil. And I say it, I make hair growth oil. I'm a hair growth oil. Anyway, it's not all about that. It's about what you put in your body. It's about the nutrition that you put in your body. Are you hydrated? When you don't drink water and you're thirsty, your hair is also thirsty. You have to nourish your follicles with with water. Water or fruit, fruits and vegetables. You have to make sure you're getting your vitamins. Because if you're deficient in your vitamins, if you're deficient in certain minerals, you want to create the environment to where hair can grow. So, your hair on average grows at least a quarter to half an inch a month. Anything on extra or more has to do with genetics, also has to do with supplements. Are you taking supplements to increase your hair growth rate? Are you massaging your scalp? When you massage your scalp, you're also increasing your hair growth rate, because you're stimulating the hair follicle, which sends the blood flow up to your hair follicle to promote hair growth.